Hello lovers, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you the best way to lose belly fat faster in just a week. The only thing you have to drink, the only drink I will recommend is water. You have to drink 2 glasses of water every time you wake up in the morning. Before eating, before doing anything, just drink 2 glasses of water. After you have drank this water, then set off for an exercise. Run for a few miles around your area, anywhere you live. Just run for a few miles. Don't say you are too fat. Don't say you can't go to the gym. You can just do it around your area. It doesn't matter where you are doing it. You don't have to be in the gym. So you have to exercise yourself. Some people complain that they are so fat that they can't run. You can run. My sister, you can do it. Because for you to lose this belly fat, you have to release calories. And when you are sweating, you'll be releasing calories. And also, after you have run, you have to drink water. 1 liter of water is okay after running, after sweating. Just have to take 1 liter of water. This 1 liter of water will help you to release toxins from your body. You know, toxins cause excess fat. Toxins can make your tummy to be broad. Toxins can be due to disease or anything. So you have to drink water. Water will help to flush out those toxins from your body. And once toxin is being flushed out from your body, you will lose weight. You will release some calories and you will lose belly fat. Please subscribe to my channel, share this